Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to make invisible profile picture on Discord. First, let's open our Discord app and go to You. Tap on Edit Profile and then click on your profile picture and select Upload Image. Now, if I go to my downloads, you will see I have a blank canvas on my downloads folder. If you try to upload a complete blank image as a profile picture, Discord will instantly reject it. So I have saved a gradient. Now all I have to do is zoom in to the very top where is no gradient and hit OK. Now as you can see, my profile picture is completely invisible. If I go back and go to chats, I can text on any of the chat and you would not be able to see my profile picture. Here you can see my name, but my profile picture is completely invisible. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.